Hi traders, this is Andrew Masters from FIBO Group and welcome to my weekly Forex report. On Monday, to kick off the week, the market will focus on data out of Europe, including the retail sales figures from Switzerland, as well as the latest monetary speech from ECB President Mario Draghi. The press release from the head of the European Central Bank will be of particular importance as the euro somewhat recovered in recent weeks, and we may see the currency continue its recent strength if Draghi takes a positive tone. On Tuesday, during the ASIN session, traders will await the results of the latest minutes meeting from the Reserve Bank of Australia. There is speculation among analysts at the moment that the Australian economy is headed for another rate cut, so this release should create some volatility and trading opportunities in the Australian dollar. During the European session, the market will await the release of the latest CPI numbers from the UK. The figures, being sitting at 0.8% at the moment, well below the central bank's target of 2%, so traders will focus on the following monetary statement for clues of the bank's future movements, and we may see some volatility in the British pound. On Wednesday, the market will be dominated by the latest interest rate decision from the US Federal Reserve, followed by the accompanying monetary statement. Strong data out of America in the last week has once again put a question of an interest rate hike on the table sooner rather than later. This release has the potential to create extreme volatility in the US dollar, with history showing we can expect a move in the vicinity of 100 points from the greenback against the other major currencies. Early on Thursday, the release of the latest GDP numbers from New Zealand will hit the market, which we expect will create some volatility in the New Zealand dollar. During the European session, we'll see the retail sales figure from the UK with a focus on the British pound, and a little later the CPI figures from the US. The figure from America has been climbing over the last 3 months, and with an average volatility being around 100 points, this release should create some trading opportunities in the US dollar. In early trading on Friday, we'll see the release of the latest monetary statement from the Bank of Japan. The governor noted last week that in his opinion, the Japanese yen had fallen too far in recent months, and the central bank is determined to stop the slide, so traders will be hoping for some clues on how they plan to address the issue. To finish off the week, the focus will be on the American session and in particular Canada, with the release of the latest CPI numbers and retail sales figures. Recent data has been quite disappointing, so traders will be hoping for a turnaround to see the Canadian dollar finish the week on a high note. That's all from me at FIBO Group, and I'll see you all next week.